All right, here we go. It's a quick walkthrough of a property on 59th Ave, just north of Camelback in southern Glendale. Plenty of employment as well as other things in the local area. Nice little community, nice little area with some surrounding properties that are nice. We've got 6 by 1 bed and 2 by 2 bed, 1 bath units, bordered by Oregon Avenue in the north and 59th Drive to the west. We got 6 tenants on site, with 1 massive fire damaged in Unit 2. Quite a hefty amount of things that we need to do for that floor plan. And then this one, number 3, is smoke damaged. And that one's just going to be a turn where we have some lighter repairs. There's an aerial shot of the property. Here's the camera looking east, going from north to south. Camera's panning to the northeast. We've got some really nice townhomes to the north there with some very clean but dated multifamily property down the street. There's the parking in the alleyway, and a shot from north to south and south to north. Very good bones on the property. Unfortunately, this roof is pretty nice, but due to the fire damage, we're probably going to have to at least re-shingle the whole thing, and then probably half of it will need new sheeting. Here's the courtyard area. So some nice grassy areas. We'll put some custom concrete curbing in there, as well as a nice outdoor seating area with a shade sail and some seating. Just down the street, that big apartment community has been repositioned, and like I said, all these multifamily units in this area are nice and clean, and we get to capitalize on the area. This is Unit 2. This is the massive fire damaged unit. There's your floor layout. It's bordered by the alley and parking on the east side. Here is the front door look. So it's been cooked pretty good. The tenant fell asleep while they were cooking in the kitchen, and it lit something on fire. There's a shot in the kitchen, so most of the trusses in this will at least need to be repaired, if not completely removed and replaced. Here's the bathroom with a shot of the underlayment sheeting. And then one of the bedrooms, you can see the trusses are still in pretty good shape. And the bones of the interior in this area of the house are actually pretty nice. The windows are still good to go. It'll probably just need to be cleaned up, repainted, and some new flooring put in there. All of the ducting will have to be replaced. And then there's just another shot there of the 2-bedroom unit in the back. Here's another look from the front door of the fire damaged unit with the trusses that will need to be rebuilt and replaced. This is a large closet inside the 2-bedroom unit that we are going to put a stackable washer dryer in and plumb it there, and you can see it there in that still shot. Some still shots of the trusses as well as the underlayment that is totally cooked and needs to be replaced. There's the bathroom and some other close-in shots of the completely cooked underlayment of the roof. It'll need new insulation. And then moving on to the smoke damaged unit, it's just a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. This one doesn't even need permits. We just need to essentially go in and repair some stuff. You can see that most of the ceiling sheetrock will probably need to be pulled off, and the insulation at least pulled out. The front window was broken by the fire department, so we'll have to repair or replace that. Most of the cabinets, if not all of them, are still in good shape, so we're going to keep those. And then this is the hallway going into the bathroom, as well as the back door there to the backyard. Bathroom's honestly not in bad shape. There's a large closet here that we're going to build out a washer dryer for, and then here's the bedroom, and you can see how the trusses, they just need to be repaired but not necessarily replaced in this unit. And there's the living room with another shot of the ceiling. You can see that the underlayment on this side in the 1-bedroom is much better. A lot less damage on this side, and really the only reason why the 1-bedroom was damaged is that there wasn't a firewall separating these 2 units, whereas the other units that are occupied right now, they have a firewall that goes all the way up to the roof, which prevented them from getting damaged there. So some more shots of the trusses, and there's a still shot of the 1-bedroom smoke damaged unit kitchen cabinets that we can reuse. All right, now moving on to all of the other occupied units. They're honestly in very good mechanical shape. We don't have any issues with low flow or stopped up toilets. All of the units have, except one, have this wood look tile flooring in there, so it looks really clean. The bathrooms are mechanically sound. All of the water as well as all the electrical stuff has been working and is up to code there. We got 100 amp panel breakers or circuit breakers, 100 amp panels for electric on site. And I'm not tracking any gas here. So even though the bathrooms and the units aren't that great, they are in good condition. The back doors for pretty much all the units need either weather stripping or they need to be replaced completely. So we've got that in the budget as well. But the tenants on site seem to be keeping their units fairly clean, aside from one of the bachelors, and they're in very good mechanical shape, albeit this is not a Class A property, and it is in good working mechanical condition. Here's another shot of the one bedroom unit. There was a failed plumbing project that we'll need to patch up. And then as you can see, these are the 2 or 3 windows that have not been replaced but are in good condition. All of the other windows have been replaced with nice dual pane windows. The exterior of the building is fairly clean. Maybe do a little bit of touch-up painting here and there. Nice grassy areas that just need to be cleaned up. There's some of the cleaned up apartments down the street, the nice townhomes that have been kept really nice across the street, and then our property here with the red roof. The strip mall just sharing the adjacent lot to us is very clean and nice. So yeah, it's a good layout. It's a good find, a good buy. Obviously the smoke damage is going to take a little bit of time to fix, but shouldn't be too crazy. Nothing that we haven't done before.